Well, I think we ended 2014 in pretty good shape, actually. Our net profit was up, our combined operating ratio was below 100%, and our income was pretty flat. So in a year when there were a good number of challenges, we had the bad weather in January and February, and rates for both motor and household have been decreasing. We're pretty pleased with that performance. So we think about motor, pleased to say we continue to insure about 3.6 million cars. We've seen premium rates decrease for most of 2014. There's some very early signs that might be changing at the end of 14 and into 15, but too early to say whether there's any momentum with price increases yet. What we have noticed, though, is as the economy has improved, our customers are driving more. So they're using their cars more. And that may be one of the reasons why we've seen an increase in frequency. And indeed, we've had one or two large losses. So if we take that linked with premiums decreasing, what it reinforces for us is the need to have really tight pricing and underwriting controls. That's been our history, that's been the way we do things, and it's absolutely vital that we continue to keep that discipline. Okay, so if we turn to household, then the big story for 2014 was January and February and the storms and the floods. Well, first thing to say, what a fantastic response from our claims team. So we handled that situation very well and lots of positive feedback. So we were, again, highlighting our claims capabilities. From a financial point of view, of course, it impacted very heavily on our first quarter results. But we always knew, and indeed I said several times, that if the weather was more normal for the rest of the year, then actually 2014 would be okay. And helped by benign weather in the last 3 quarters, we have seen our household result improve, and indeed it's turned out to be a pretty good year. So finally, if we think about commercial, for a number of years we've had a commercial action plan trying to get our combined operating ratio where we want it to be. I'm delighted to say that our COR for commercial is below 100%. Now given that, we're now turning our attention to growing commercial. So the message to brokers is very much that we're open for business in commercial, and particularly commercial motor, e-traded commercial business and schemes business. Those are real areas for focus for us as we move into 2015.